If your PC is running low on storage, one of the easiest ways to free up space is by using OneDrive the smart way. In this video, I'll show you how to save space on your PC using OneDrive step by step so you can keep your important files in the cloud without cluttering up your local drive. This is a super useful trick for Windows users who want to clean up storage without deleting files completely. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open File Explorer on your PC. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by searching for File Explorer in the Start menu. Once File Explorer is open, look at the left sidebar and click on OneDrive. This will take you to the folder that's synced with your Microsoft OneDrive account. Inside here, you'll see all the files and folders that are currently stored on your PC and synced to the cloud. Now take a moment to identify the files or folders you don't need available offline all the time. These are great candidates for freeing up space. For example, you might have old project folders, large videos, documents you rarely open, or anything else you want to keep safe but don't need taking up local storage. Select the files or folders you want to remove from your device, but remember, you are not deleting them from OneDrive itself. After selecting the items, right-click on them to open the context menu. In that menu, look for the option that says Free Up Space. Click it. This is the key step. When you choose Free Up Space, Windows removes the local copy from your PC, but the file stays stored in your Microsoft OneDrive account online. That means you'll still be able to access it later whenever you need it, without keeping it on your hard drive all the time. Once you click Free Up Space, you may notice the file icons change. That usually means the files are now online only. They're no longer using valuable storage on your PC, but they're still fully available in the cloud. This is one of the easiest ways to make room on your system without losing access to your documents, pictures, or videos. And here's something really important to understand. The files are not gone. They remain in Microsoft OneDrive, so nothing is permanently deleted from your account. You're simply removing the local version from your computer. That means you can still open the file later, and if you have an internet connection, Windows will download it again automatically when needed. So if you decide to open one of those files later, it will just sync back to your PC as required. This makes OneDrive a really powerful tool for managing storage, especially if you work with a lot of files but don't want everything stored locally. It's ideal for keeping your PC fast, organized, and less crowded. Instead of manually deleting files and worrying about backups, you can let OneDrive handle the cloud storage while your PC stays clean and optimized. If you want to save even more space, you can repeat this process for other folders you don't need offline. Just go back into OneDrive in File Explorer, select the items you want to keep in the cloud, right-click, and choose Free Up Space. Over time, this can make a huge difference, especially on laptops and smaller SSD drives where every gigabyte counts. So to recap, open File Explorer, click OneDrive in the left sidebar, select the files or folders you don't need offline, right-click them, and choose Free Up Space. Your files stay safely in Microsoft OneDrive, but they're removed from local storage, giving you more room on your PC right away. And when you need them again, they can download automatically as long as you're online. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.